Welcome to another lesson. This time I'm going to show you another way of getting scalars. I have this question from KMF. Now, what I have here is a diagram which is a parallelogram. Unlike yesterday's or previous lesson, that diagram looked like parallelogram, but you cannot assume it is parallelogram. Here you can see the signs which confirm to us. Now we are asked to get AC. Now from A to C, I'll take the root AO and then OC. Another student AB, then BC. That's okay. Substitute the right numbers. Okay, the right numbers, the right letters, and you get negative A plus B. What about BN? From B to N, it is BA plus AN. Although it will be right, BC, CO, ON. But who goes to Nairobi via Thika? How can you move from Kikuyu to Nairobi? You go to Thika and then come to Nairobi? No. Or how can you go to Eldoret, then you go up to Migori first? Do you know where Migori is? Migori is far near Tanzania. How can you move from here to Migori and then you come back to Eldoret? No. Okay? So we take BN, AN. But AN here is part of AO. That's why you have this fraction. Okay? Now, what is the core here? How to get the scalars, which I have not written, but I can read. Two conditions. AX is equal to HAC and BX is equal to KBN. Two conditions. Do you remember? Yes. Now, when you are given two conditions and ask for scalar, I told you, maintain the first one and then compute the same first vector using second condition. Today is slightly different. Apart from being given two conditions, we are told to get OX in two ways. So get the point. Two conditions, then you are told a new vector, OX. The two conditions, how are they going to be used? The first one will be used in the first OX. The second one will be used in the second OX. Look at that. The first OX, O to X is OA plus AX. I will have used the first condition. Second OX, from O to X, I'll move from O to A to B, then B to X. BX is second condition. So compute them and get them simplified. OA is A, then in place of AX we put HAC. We had already found AC, open bracket here, collect like vectors. Second OX, OC plus CB plus BX. Now here, B plus A plus KBN. KBN substitutes BX. BX is my second condition. So again you have BN here. Put the right thing. You can see in red, nice work. Then open bracket, collect like terms. Now I have two OX. For explanation, I've put OX1 and OX2. But ideally, it is the same OX. So they must be equal. What do? Do not cancel anything, but drop. That means carry on with corresponding coefficients. Do not cross. There's no mathematics like that. So you drop. You carry on with coefficients. What is the coefficient of A here? 1 minus H, which is here, is equal to coefficient of vector A, 1 minus 2K over 3. And the coefficient of B, H, which is here, coefficient of B is 1 minus K. This will earn you a mark, definitely. They will earn you a mark. Of course, even here you'll get a mark. Probably here too. After equating these coefficients, it is free for you to solve. There are thousands and thousands of methods. Okay? I'll take one. I know h is 1 minus k. Bring it here. So I'll have 1 minus 1 plus k. Because this is minus, when it comes this side, it becomes plus. Okay? 1 minus 1 is 0. I remain with k. Bring this side, 2k over 3 is equal to 1. This is 5k over 3, giving me k is equal to, now maybe I redo this, you get it right. Here I have already equated the coefficients. Okay? This is the coefficient of vector A, and these are coefficients of vector B. These can be solved simultaneously in a number of ways. So for me, I have taken h, I've taken 1 minus k, I've put it here, which simplifies to that. So I remain with k because 1 minus 1 is 0, k is here. This is negative 2k over 3, bring it this side, it becomes plus, is equal to 1. This is 5k over 3, meaning k is 3 over 5. And if k is 3 over 5, h is 1 minus 3 over 5, giving me 2 over 5. Okay? That one you can take your time, do it nicely. Right. So this is another version of getting scalars. I have one more, which is just below the question I have taken now. Try to prepare for it. Do this work alone and repeat it again and again. Bye. Until next lesson.